Hello, today I am going to explain about the a most important topic related to polity. That is, what is the parliament? So, parliament is a legislature of our country that makes law for whole country and for entire country. So that is the biggest thing of our constitution. That is the biggest. That is the smartest future of our constitution because there have a there have a legal process to make an law. So we should understand what is the parliament. In the parliaments there are three main members. The first is our presidents. That is the main part, and second is Lok Sabha, and third is Rajya Sabha. So the Lok Sabha is the upper part, and Rajya Sabha is the lower part. So we should understand about the Lok Sabha. In Lok Sabha election, there are the 552 seats in our country. So the maximum seat is 552. What it present, the 543 seats are elected. What two seats are nominated by the presidents from Anglo-Indian. So we should understand who is Anglo-Indian. Anglo-Indians are who that is not actually our country, but that is related to our country. So that pupils who were Britisher and who were other countries from the independence, so that are called Anglo-Indian. So our presidents nominated two seats in Lok Sabha elections are Anglo-Indians, and after that we should understand about the what is the tenure of the Lok Sabha election. So we should understand Lok Sabha election have only 5 years tenure. So if the president and the prime minister want to dissolve that earlier the time, so they can do that and they can dissolve that. After that we should understand about the what is the qualification to make to make a member of the parliament, to make a member of the Lok Sabha. So the Lok Sabha members qualification are, that is the first, that the candidates who want to be a members of the Lok Sabha, that are Indian and that are a electoral list, that name have an already electoral list, and after that they must be not bankrupt, and they must not be bankrupt, and after that they must be liable for this seat, they must not be made, and after that they give the some money to as a candidates for the election commission, and after that they can get a seat to the Lok Sabha election, and after that we understand the person who want, the pupils who want to vote for the Lok Sabha seats, they can vote, they can cast their votes. If the